Okay, this is how you peel garlic. JJ Chicken Restaurant style. First, remove the skin. Like this. Remove the skin. Aywa. Okay, it will only take a few seconds to remove it. Come on, man. Okay, put it in a stainless steel bowl. Then, put the another cover of stainless steel bowl. And, boom shakalak for 10 to 20 seconds. Boom shakalak. Boom shakalak. Boom shakalak. Okay? You will see the miracle of boom shakalak. Okay. Finished product is C. You just have to remove only the peeled garlic. What a magic. No more water, no more soap, no more knife. Then put it inside. See? Very good.